This week in Tesla has a number of things that happen. As always, every week this stuff happens.
It's crazy.
But I'm going to start with the Boring Company, another arm of Tesla. The Boring Company has started to develop their first exterior outside station at the Las Vegas Loop. So as you may know, it's about a mile long. There's going to be 3 stations, 2 that are outside and 1 that's underground. So they've started to build the one of the exterior stations on the north side. And that's going to be interesting to see as that moves along. Another Boring Company piece of information is that for whatever reason, there's a project that's going to be happening in Austin, Texas for the Boring Company. This is kind of a surprise. It was sprung on us just late last week. We're not really sure why there's a boring project in Austin. Is it going to be on the Tesla Gigafactory site? Is it to the downtown Austin? Is it to the airport? We don't know, but they're hiring people for the job already. So we're hoping to learn more in the coming week. Another bit of news is that, again, Tesla, because of course they only sell a couple cars, right? So they've decided to sell tequila now, and they've put out a new bottle, highly expensive tequila. It's been designed but with the help of their design department, and it's this crazy lightning bolt looking bottle. Now, perfect.
Beautiful.
Dumbest.
I like the bottle. I don't care about the tequila.
So I showed my wife this, and she said, buy it now.
Oh, God.
She loves the
Okay.
bottle.
Yeah.
Who on this
That's
show has ordered it?
I've ordered 2.
I wanted to. She told me no.
Only because it's Patrick. Patrick, is this an investment or is this a purchase?
Oh, it's a purchase. So I ordered 1 to drink, 1 to keep, and I wanted to get 1 to flip, but they only let you have 2. So I'm not going to be on eBay. So yep, they're for me.
Why would you pay $250 for a $40 bottle of tequila?
It was at $80.
You don't understand. You just don't get it.
I understand.
And I can't explain it to you. If you don't get it, you just don't know.
Oh. I think the comeback you were searching for is "Have you driven one, bro?"
Stunk.
I missed out on the flamethrower, the short shorts, the surfboard, everything. So I was like, let me just do this.
You're lucky, Casey. You're not cursed. You're blessed.
Yeah, I'll be able to put it right over here next to my boring fire extinguisher and my little teeny Tesla supercharger, and then the high power wall charger faceplate behind it. So yeah, I'll add to my shrine.
Last bit of the story is that we have here in Kitchner, Ontario, where I live, the new Tesla showroom has just opened up. So it's been a long time coming, over a year. We've expected it. We have had a service bay now for a year, and now the showroom where you can purchase, where you can test drive, and where ultimately you can take your delivery. Can happen locally here in the KW area, and we're glad to see it. It's finally open.
Are they attached or are they in different locations?
They're attached.
Oh, nice.
Oh, I was gonna say, will you be doing any video from the new place? Mark?
I've actually done a quick video already, and I'll be placing that up on our Twitter feed, the Tesla Life, shortly.
Excellent.
And Mark has already found the Easter egg.
That's right.
The showroom.
And Russell's already commented on the Easter egg.
So go to @TheTeslaLife on Twitter, and you can find out what we're talking about.
Ooh.
How's that for a teaser? Ooh.
There we go.
Man, I'm a
Nice.
marketing genius.